It's really helped me settle in, and even though I've only been here a week, I actually feel like I've been here like ages.
So I feel like we've been able to make good support bubbles before we sort of branch out across the university.
And I think it's a lot easier to think about how you're going to focus on your degree and stuff if you already have people who you know and you don't have to worry about that.
They gave me a porcupine and it was
like
so
a
great.
crocheted knitted
like a little
porcupine.
crochet knitted porcupine.
It's very cool.
Yeah, it is so cool.
So Prep Week is a fantastic opportunity for our students to arrive a little bit earlier in Cambridge.
I remember my Prep Week just last year, and I came as an international student, so just a whole new world of stuff. It was a good experience to have someone there that could just guide you and give a little extra reassurance.
You hear many things about the college, but until you put one foot in the door, you never really know what it's like. If there's one thing that people find most surprising about starting at Sidney, it's how level the playing field is. You'll find that actually everybody finds it a little bit daunting when they first come up here, but at the end of the week, everybody feels much more on similar terms.
Getting them settled in, ready to go, and kind of separating that from figuring out lectures and figuring out social life at the same time, giving them the confidence to get started really quickly.
So throughout preparation week, what we've done is made a real strong focus on making sure students have workshops on sleep, nutrition, rest, as well as the academic study skills, so that they've got all the foundations and that scaffolding to allow them to thrive at university.
I found like it's made us a lot more familiar with the staff as well. A lot of the staff have given a few talks or one talk, introduced themselves, and it feels like even now we know who to go to with problems already, which is really nice this early into the year.
What we want to do across 4 academic sessions, across 4 academic streams, is to really give people a sense of not just how learning takes place at Cambridge, but how they as individuals are going to learn at Cambridge. So the sessions start off with a kind of an introduction to what a supervision is, what a lecture looks like, how you might deal with that as a relatively new way of taking on board information.
There was a good mix of like stuff we actually needed to hear, all the academic sessions. I didn't know anything about like supervisions and things like that, how to write essays, and also a lot of social stuff, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah, especially like in the day it was quite structured, which is nice because you don't feel so lost.
Yeah.
But then the evening was more unstructured, and we had the alphabet party, we had like this ice cream van come in.
Played Exploding Kittens, the card game, a few times. That was really fun.
We did a roast dinner yesterday.
Yeah, it was really good.
And also just going out into exploring the city with friends.
Yeah.
Going to Weatherspoons, things like this. You know?
I really enjoyed the punting. I wasn't expecting them to take us punting.
It's a really nice thing to have these kind of team building activities, so I get to know my friends who are going to live with me in the next 6 years.
I really enjoyed karaoke last night.
Yeah.
Everyone was dancing and everyone was singing, and it was just a really fun environment.
Slightly chaotic, but very fun.
For the treasure hunt, very fun, and it was also a good opportunity to meet like a bunch of people in our year. I feel like I already know like 90% of the year.
Yes.
The community is amazing.
Yeah.
People here are so nice. Like all of our year group, I think are like the loveliest people I've ever met.
Yeah, everyone's so nice.
Yeah.
I really like it. It feels like a home. It's lovely.
Yeah.